ya.
He's driving over to say hello. He's asking if you're ready.
Love that sound.
Yeah. He's asking us, are we ready?
Yeah! Woo!
Nice trip.
Track's a little tacky. He's gonna do a popper.
Now he's lining it up. What these trucks are actually going to try to do is ride up onto the front tires.
Woo!
Let's see what Elliott Miller in the Frontier Truck Car Sinistar is able to do. Watch him really close.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
In a 12,000-pound monster truck. St. Clair, what'd you think so far?
Yeah! One more hit to go.
He has one more remaining hit in the skills competition. Elliott Miller's been getting a lot better at these maneuvers over the past couple of years. He's going to try one more. Let's see what he's got.
Is he gonna do it backwards? Yeah, boy. Yeah. Yeah! Oh! Yeah! Yeah!
St. Clair, what do you think?
Yeah! All right, that was awesome.
The Frontier.